So before we can really get into your numbers, reviewing financial statements, and figuring out how your business is doing, we really need to go over some key definitions. So today we're going to talk about assets and what they are. Let's start with the textbook definition. Assets are resources owned by the company that has future economic value that can be measured and expressed in dollars. So examples of these include cash, investments, inventory, supplies, accounts receivable, land, buildings, equipment, and vehicles. Assets are reported on the balance sheet usually at cost or lower, and they're part of the accounting equation assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Some valuable items that can't be measured or expressed in dollars include the company's outstanding reputation, its customer base, the value of successful brands, and the management team. As a result, these are not reported among the assets appearing on the balance sheet. These are often referred to as soft assets. That was the textbook definition. So if we talk about the definition that you need to know, assets are things of value that your business owns, or stuff that your business owns. And that stuff can be cash, equipment, inventory, accounts receivable, maybe a vehicle. Sometimes it's just easier to think about it in your personal life before translating it to your business. So in your personal life, the assets that you might have is a personal bank account balance, any cash that you have stashed away, your investment and retirement accounts. If you own a home, your home is an asset. Vehicles, crypto, a piece of artwork that you just found out is actually worth something. Baseball card collection, those Gucci bags, these are all assets. And whether you're thinking about your personal life or your business, assets are a very important part of the accounting equation assets equal liabilities plus equity. Now that you know what an asset is, where does it even show up? So assets show up on your balance sheet. If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.